Alright, just got this new trunk ramp for my sedan to put my links into. It's a pretty hefty box, 11 pounds. Pretty heavy. Let's see how we can set this thing up. Whoa. So here are the other end for the trunk. Feels like rubber material here. Sturdy. I have no idea what this is. There's no instructions either, so. Alright, so with the angled side, you put that bracket in. We give you a Allen key. So here is the back end. I guess just for traveling purposes, that's why they didn't have it mounted. Alright, so this is that other piece that I was wondering about. Unscrew it. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look when it's fully assembled. Alright. Just need to now test it out on the car. Alright, let's see how it is to unload this out of the trunk. There you go. It's the max tilt angle. It's not helpful for taking it out of the trunk, especially in the sedan. So just lift it out. So rolling it up is not bad. Putting it in, which is probably the hardest part, it solves that problem. So roll it up, and then just be careful, because now you got to turn off the wheel. Make sure you have a towel or something so you don't scratch your car. Wheel's still on. Turned it off. Take out the ramp. So I guess it does serve its purpose for loading it in, but taking it out, you're still gonna have to pick it up, especially in a sedan.